Good morning. Welcome to this English Bolo class. My name is Manika. I am your teacher for this class. We will start with something very important. Introductions. You should all know how to give simple introductions in English. Let us start. This class is all about introductions. You will learn first how to introduce yourself to one person, and second, how to introduce yourself to a group of people. In this class, I will be talking to you, and you will also get a chance to talk to me. There are some rules for this class. 1. Please be in a quiet place so you can hear me and I can hear you. 2. When you are not talking, I will mute your microphone. Please stay on mute till you have to talk. 3. Listen carefully in the class when I am talking and also when others are talking. And 4. If you want to say something or if you have a question, please use the hand button on your screen. I will know you want to say something. Then I will ask you to speak. The hand button is on the top right corner of your screen. You can see what it looks like on this picture. Just press this button and I will know that you want to say something. When you meet someone for the first time, you should introduce yourself to that person. Let us talk about some things to remember when you introduce yourself. The first important thing to remember in an introduction is your smile. When you introduce yourself to someone, remember to smile at him or her. This makes you look friendly and confident. Second, remember to say hello and share your name. This gives a chance to the other person to also share his or her name. Third, as you are talking, remember to look at the other person. Look at the person's eyes and speak with confidence. This makes the other person also feel good. Now, let us watch a video of some people meeting and introducing themselves. I will play the video. Please watch and listen very carefully.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Pooja.
Hi Pooja, my name is Rahul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good morning, I'm Nidhi.
Good morning, I'm Tariq.
Nice to meet you, Tariq.
Nice to meet you too.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Roshan.
Hi Roshan, I am Nidhi.
Hello, Nidhi.
Hello Roshan, my name is Jay.
Hello, Jay.
Hello Roshan, my name is Neeraj.
Hi, Neeraj.
Good afternoon Roshan, my name is Diya. It's nice to meet you.
Hello, Diya. It's nice to meet you too.
In this video, all the people who introduced themselves were smiling. This is good because it made them look confident. Second, the people were looking at each other. It is important to look at the person you are talking to because it makes you look confident. Third, since they were meeting for the first time, they also shook hands when they met. And fourth, people said hi or hello or good morning or good afternoon and then shared their names. This made the introduction polite and clear. Now, let us practice introducing ourselves. I will say hello or good morning to you, and you need to have a conversation with me introducing yourself. Yogendra, Let us practice talking. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Yogendra.
Hello, Yogendra. My name is Manika. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Manika.
Thank you, Yogendra. That was a very good conversation. We both introduced ourselves and you were very clear and confident. Kushnur,
Yes, Manika.
let us practice talking and introducing ourselves. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. This is Kushnur.
Hi, Kushnur. My name is Manika. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, Manika. Nice to meet you too.
Great. That was a very good conversation, Kushnur. It was a simple and clear introduction.
Thank you.
Dipali,
Yes, ma'am.
now you and I will practice talking. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Dipali.
Hi, Dipali. My name is Manika. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, ma'am.
Great. Thank you so much, Dipali. That was again a good introduction. It was short, simple, but confident.
Thank you.
We just practiced introducing ourselves to one person. Sometimes you may need to introduce yourself to a group of people. If you go for an interview or if it is your first day in your job, someone might ask you to give your introduction. Let us talk about some things to remember when you are introducing yourself to a group. The first thing to remember is your smile. When you are introducing yourself, do remember to smile. This will help you look confident and friendly. Second, always speak loudly and clearly when you give your introduction. This helps people understand what you are saying and also helps you look confident. Third, remember to speak slowly. If you speak too fast, you will seem nervous and people will not be able to understand you. Speak slowly and clearly so people can understand you. Finally, keep your introduction short. 4 lines are best. In this way, you can give the basic, important information about yourself clearly and confidently. Now, let us watch another short video. It is a video of a person giving his introduction. I will play the video. Please watch and listen very carefully.
Hi, I'm Yogendra. Actually, what to say? I'm a graduate. I studied in Delhi. I love Delhi a lot. My parents live in Delhi. I also have a younger sister. I love sports a lot. I did my BA from MB University. That's all.
So, how was this introduction? Firstly, the person who was introducing himself was not very confident. He was not smiling. Second, he did not look at the other person. This made it look as if he was not confident. Third, the introduction was long. He shared too many details. It is best if your introduction is 4 lines long. Now, let us watch another short video. In this video, you will see 2 more people giving their introductions. I will play the video. Please watch and listen very carefully.
Hi, my name is Radhu. I'm from Shimla. I have a diploma in hotel management from Chandigarh and now I'm looking for a job.
Hello, I am Sonam. I have a BA in Economics from Modern College, Guwahati. I live in Guwahati with my parents and younger brother. I love reading and playing basketball.
In this video, the two people who introduced themselves were friendly and pleasant. They were smiling. This made them look confident. Second, they both spoke in a loud voice. This also made them look confident. If you speak in a loud voice, it also helps people understand what you are saying. Third, they both spoke slowly. This is very important because if you speak too fast, people may not understand what you are saying. Fourth, the introductions were short. They were just 4 lines. This is good because an introduction should never be too long. Now, let us all practice giving our own introductions. Here, you can see 4 questions. By answering these 4 questions, you can give a good introduction about yourself. I will give my introduction first. Please listen carefully. My name is Manika. I am from Dehradun. I work as an English Bolo teacher. My hobbies are reading and traveling. Yogendra,
Yes, ma'am.
would you like to try practicing giving your introduction by answering these 4 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please begin.
My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow and I am a student. My hobbies are watching movies.
Okay, very good, Yogendra. Let us try this one more time. Please try to speak slowly and loudly throughout all your sentences.
Okay. My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. I am a student. My hobbies is watching movies.
Very good. Can you repeat? My hobby is watching movies.
My hobby is watching movies.
Very good. Would you like to try the whole thing one more time?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. I am a student. My hobby is watching movies.
Very good, Yogendra. That was clear, loud, and confident. Thank you. Khushnud,
Yes.
now it is your turn to practice giving your introduction. So please begin.
Okay. My name is Khushnud from Varanasi.
Very good. Can you say, I am from Varanasi?
I am from Varanasi.
Good.
I work in private company.
Very good. Say, I work in a private company.
I work in a private company.
Good.
My hobby is to watch football.
Very good, Khushnud. Now let's try this one more time.
Okay. My name is Khushnud. I am from Varanasi.
Very good.
I work in private company.
I work in a private company.
I work in a private company.
Good.
My hobby is to watch football.
Very good, Khushnud. That was much better. Would you like to try one last time, all 4 sentences together?
My name is Kushnur. I am from Varanasi. I work in a private company. My hobby is to watch football.
Okay, very good, Kushnur. That was a very good, clear introduction. Dipali, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dipali, now it is your turn to practice giving your introduction. So please begin by answering these 4 questions.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Dipali. I am from Solapur. I work in an IT company. My hobbies are painting and playing volleyball.
Very good, Dipali. That was an excellent introduction. You were very loud and clear. Would you like to try practicing one more time?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Dipali. I am from Solapur. I am working as an IT professional. My hobbies are painting and playing volleyball.
Very good. Thank you, Dipali.
Thank you, ma'am.
As I said before, you should always keep your introductions short. However, sometimes you can share different details in your introduction. For example, your introductions can be different if you are at a new job or if you are talking to a group of new friends. Let us practice introducing ourselves in a few different situations. If you are introducing yourself to your new team at a new job, you can share some details about yourself that they would be interested in. By answering these 4 questions, you can give a good introduction about yourself at a new job. I will give my introduction first. Please listen carefully. My name is Manika. I am from Dehradun. Before this, I was working with an IT company. My hobbies are traveling and reading. Now it is your turn to practice. Let us begin with Yogendra. Yogendra, are you ready?
Yes, Manika.
Okay, please begin.
My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. Before this, I was working with a private company. My hobbies are watching cricket and movies.
Very good, Yogendra. Again, try to be loud throughout when you are speaking. So let's try this one more time.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. Before this, I was working with a private company. My hobbies are watching movies and cricket.
My hobbies are watching movies and playing cricket or watching cricket.
Yes, ma'am. थोड़ा problem हो रही है.
No problem. Let's try one more time, Yogendra.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. Before this, I was working in a private company. My hobbies are watching movies and cricket.
Very good. Thank you, Yogendra. Dipali?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you practice this introduction, please?
Yes. My name is Dipali. I am from Solapur. I have completed BE Computer Science. My hobbies are dancing and traveling.
Very good, Dipali. Let's try this again. Try to answer the 3rd question by saying, before this, I was completing my studies, or you can name the course that you were doing. Okay? Try one more time.
Okay. My name is Dipali. I am from Solapur. Before this, I was completing my BE Computer Science. My hobbies are dancing and traveling.
Very good, Dipali. That was a good, clear introduction. Thank you. Let us imagine that you have joined a new class or group. It may be a dance class, a book club, or a cricket group, or other such group. If you are introducing yourself to a new group, you can share some details about yourself that would be interesting for them. By answering these 4 questions, you can give a good introduction about yourself. So let us practice. I will give my introduction first. Please listen carefully. My name is Manika. I am from Dehradun. I have been interested in dance for the last 5 years. I have joined this dance class because I want to improve my dancing skills. Yogendra,
Yes, Manika.
would you like to practice this introduction?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. I am interested in cricket last 10 years. I have joined this group because I want to improve my cricket skills.
Very good, Yogendra. Try one more time.
My name is Yogendra from Lucknow.
I am from Lucknow.
Okay. My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. I am interested in cricket from last 10 years.
Okay, Yogendra, please say, I have been interested in cricket.
I have been interested in cricket
for the last 10 years.
For the last 10 years.
So I have been interested in cricket for the last 10 years. Can you repeat?
I start again.
Okay.
My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. I have been interested in cricket for last 10 years.
Very good.
I have joined this group because I want to improve my cricket skills.
Very good, Yogendra. Let's do this one last time.
Okay. My name is Yogendra. I am from Lucknow. I have been interested in cricket for last 10 years. I have joined this group because I want to improve my cricket skills.
Very good. Thank you, Yogendra. That was very clear and confident. You were very good.
Thank you.
Dipali?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you practice this introduction now?
Yes. My name is Dipali. I am from Pune. I am interested in singing. I have joined this group to improve myself.
Very good, Dipali. For the third question, can you say, I have been interested in singing for many years?
Okay.
Can you try again?
Yes. My name is Dipali. I am from Pune. I have been interested in singing from 2 years. I have joined this group to improve myself.
Very good, Dipali. Let's practice this one last time.
My name is Dipali. I am from Pune. I have been interested in singing since 2 years. I have joined this group to improve myself.
Excellent, Dipali. That was a very good introduction. Let us now imagine that you are at a job interview. In this situation too, you should share details that will be interesting for the interviewers. By answering these 4 questions, you can give a good introduction about yourself at an interview. So let us practice. I will give my introduction first. Please listen carefully. My name is Manika. I am from Dehradun. I have a master's in English. Now I am teaching at English Bolo. Yogendra, would you like to try?
My name is Yogendra. I am from Meerut. I am a graduate and now I am looking for a job.
Very good, Yogendra. You can also share some more details about your educational qualifications. So if you say I am a graduate, you can say I am a graduate in economics or English or whichever is the field that you have completed your graduation in, because that is helpful information. So let us try one more time.
Okay. My name is Yogendra. I am from Meerut. I am a IT graduate. I had done my BTech and now I am looking for a job.
Very good. That was much better, Yogendra. Let's practice one last time.
My name is Yogendra. I am from Meerut. I have done my BTech from Meerut. Now I am looking for a job.
Very good, Yogendra. Thank you. Dipali,
Yes, ma'am.
can you try this introduction, please?
Yes. My name is Dipali. I am from Mumbai. I have completed BE Computer Science. I am working as a UI developer.
Very good, Dipali. Let's practice one more time.
My name is Dipali. I am from Mumbai. I have completed BE Computer Science. I am doing job.
Okay, now I am doing a job, or now I am working as a UI developer.
Now I am working as a UI developer.
Okay, let's practice this whole thing one more time.
Yes. My name is Dipali. I am from Mumbai. I have completed BE Computer Science. Now I am working as a UI developer.
Very good, Dipali. You can also say where you have completed your BE from.
Okay.
Try again.
My name is Dipali. I am from Mumbai. I have completed BE Computer Science from Mumbai University. Now I am working as a UI developer.
Very good, Dipali. That was a good, complete, but clear introduction. Thank you.